Hey, hey, hey. So, guys, I am so excited to introduce you to the fast and easy cooking system that you're going to learn inside the Refresh and Reboot. Listen, one thing I despise are complex recipes. I pull out a recipe book and I'm looking at all the directions, I'm looking at the ingredients, half of them I don't have, and then I'm looking at every instruction because it's like step by step, and if you mess it up, your meal is going to be slightly different than what the picture looks like, right? What I've designed here is something so simple and fast. So recipes that you can cook up in 15 minutes or less because they're your recipes. I'm basically going to teach you 10 signature dishes that pretty much are going to become just staples in your house. I call them staples here. I'm like, hey, we're going to have burritos tonight. We're going to do a stir fry tonight. We're doing pizza tonight. We're doing grills and greens tonight. It's always a signature dish around my house because I know they're easy go-tos. I mean, literally when I teach you guys the stir fry dish, you're gonna be like, I do that. And I'm gonna be like, yeah. So why do you make it more complicated than it needs to be? But maybe you're not adding enough variety to your stir fries. You're making the same damn stir fry every time. I'm gonna teach you guys 10 signature dishes that give you 50 or more meals that you can make at home in under 15 minutes. So this is very, very breakthrough for a lot of my clients who have not done this before. They find that cooking is inconvenient, it's hard, they're not sure what to make, they don't know what variety to add, their kids aren't eating what they're making, all sorts of things are happening. What I really actually love is the little extra bonus I'm going to be giving to you parents on how to help your kids craft their own meal. It's been a game changer for us here because my kids really like to have choice. I don't know what is it about them. That's in my blood too. I love choice. I love the freedom to choose what I want. And so do they. So it'll be interesting for those of you that have kids to learn that piece. But this week, and over the next several weeks actually that we're spending time together, I'm going to be teaching you this fast and easy cooking system so that you learn the 10 signature dishes. You're going to try a couple this week, try a couple next week, and the week after until you've really tried all the signature dishes once, at least once, right? And then you might change up the recipe. It's whatever you have in your kitchen too. So you're getting that, that refresh of your grocery list. You're getting all the best ingredients into your kitchen. That's where it all begins. I'm like, if you don't have healthy ingredients, you're really not going to be able to make a healthy meal. So that's the first step. Then it's all about just being able to pull out of your pocket a signature dish to make. If you are like, what are we going to make for dinner? I didn't pull out any meat. I didn't defrost anything. We don't have anything that I can just bake really quick. Like those pre-made like pizzas or lasagnas or anything like that. So you're like, crap. The kids are coming home in a half an hour. I don't have any dinner ready. What am I going to do? I find myself in that situation almost on the regular, right? At least once or twice a week where I'm like, damn, I forgot to defrost something or whatnot. Well, there you go. Pull out the stir fry. The stir fry is like whatever you have in your kitchen. It's whatever is in your fridge. Maybe it's leftover food, whatever. You're chopping it up. You're warming it up or you're sauteing it up in under 15 minutes, and then you're going to add a flavor to it, a flavor boost. If you don't have good flavor boosts, you're about to learn some really good insider tips from me because I am all about the flavor. Come over here. Check out my freaking spice rack. This is my spice rack over here. And then you don't even want to see what's up here. It's dangerous. But that is also the flavor boost that I have. And trust me, there are so many ingredients in my kitchen that I need to update, get out. I don't want you guys to think that you have to get rid of foods right now in your kitchen that are not on the Bobby approved list or they're not as healthy as they could be. Once they're gone, just don't replace them with the same thing. That's my advice to you, right? So there's a lot of stuff that I still have like in my cupboards as far as like condiments go, and certain snacks that are here that I'm like, wow, those are really bad. I didn't know how bad they were, but they're bad. And I'm going to get rid of those pretty quickly. But I'm not going to throw them away. That's just not my style. I feel like bad wasting food, even if it's not good for me. That could be a really bad thing too. So you decide what's best for you. Some of my foods are not so bad, and I know that I'm getting rid of a lot of junky food for sure. But some of the stuff that's like in between is not super bad, like certain oils that you might be cooking with, or certain ingredients like that you've been using for stir fries, teriyaki sauces, barbecue sauces, all of that. Just get a healthier option the next time. So I'm super excited to start dropping these dishes down for you. 10 signature dishes. You can do this because once you know these signature dishes, the variety is there. Maybe save the image on your phone so that you have a reminder of like, oh, I could do the bake today, or I could do the stir fry, or I could do the burrito, or I could do the grill ingredients, or I could do the fish fry, or I could do the pizza. I want you to have that reminder, maybe print it out, put it on your refrigerator, because seriously, once you learn the signature dish, you're gonna be able to craft your meal in no time. And you're also going to get so many ideas from me on the different styles that I make for each signature dish that give it variety and flavor. Flavor changes because your family doesn't want to eat the same stir fry every week. And we definitely have more than one stir fry a week. That's like one of my favorite go-to meals because it's super fast, super convenient, and all that stuff. But I also really love the pasta dish. That is a dish that in this Italian family we must have because we also love wine. It's usually on a Friday, and that's all good. So you're going to learn some really great things. I'm so excited that you're here. Just stay tuned. Trust the process. Drink your daily Shakeology superfoods. Keep doing that for yourself as we're getting into the cooking and getting into some of the other secret, tips that you're going to learn in the 3-day refresh along the way. There's so much that you guys are going to get from this 3 weeks that, I know you're not going to forget it. It's going to last you for the rest of the year, if not longer, and your benefits and results are going to be awesome. All right, we'll talk soon.